Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty using a keyboard and mouse. First, ensure your keyboard and mouse are properly connected to your PC or console. Take a moment to confirm they are recognized by your system. Next, fine-tune your mouse's DPI and in-game sensitivity settings. Finding the right balance is crucial for precise aiming and fluid movement. Also, consider using a large mouse pad. It provides ample space for sweeping mouse movements, which is essential for competitive play. Now, let's cover the fundamental controls for moving and interacting. You'll use the WASD keys for all your directional movement. W for forward, A for left, S for backward, and D for right. To jump over obstacles or gain a height advantage, simply press the spacebar. For faster traversal, hold down the left shift key to sprint. When you need to take cover, use left control to crouch or the Z key to go prone. Remember to press R to reload your weapon when your magazine is low. When it comes to engaging enemies, precision is key. To aim down your weapon sights for better accuracy, hold down the right mouse button. Once you have a target in your crosshairs, simply click the left mouse button to fire. For tactical advantages, press Q to deploy your tactical equipment, like a stun grenade. To unleash more destructive power, use E for your lethal equipment, such as a frag grenade. You can quickly switch between your primary and secondary weapons, using your mouse's scroll wheel or by pressing the 1 and 2 number keys. To truly excel, consider these advanced techniques. Dedicate time to practicing your aim in custom games. Consistent practice significantly boosts your accuracy. Mastering movement techniques, like slide canceling, can make you much harder to hit and allow for quicker repositioning. Don't hesitate to customize your keybinds to perfectly suit your personal playstyle and comfort. Finally, effective communication with your teammates using voice chat is paramount for coordinating strategies and securing victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.